morning, children. Today we are going to start a new chapter and its name is Halves and Quarters. I'm sure, children, all of you have been listening to these words halves and quarters, and many a times you have used them also. One day, two little children came to my house and I had only one guava. Both of them loved eating guava and they wanted to eat guava. So they came to me and said, "Auntie, we want to eat guava." I was doing some work. I said, "Okay, beta, I have only one guava. I will cut it into two halves." And since I was busy doing some work, I cut the guava like this and I told them to have one piece each. But do you know, those little children started fighting. Both of them wanted this piece. Nobody wanted this piece. Can you guess why? Come on, guess. Can you guess why? Yes, you are right. This is bigger piece and this is smaller piece. I did not cut guava into two equal parts. And these are not halves of guava. They cannot be called half. This is a smaller part and this is a bigger part. See, children, when such small children can make out that these are not halves, so we are in class 4. Okay, now I have a lemon. I am going to cut it into two equal halves. Let us see whether I can do it or not. See, children, I have cut the lemons into two equal halves. Okay, I will show it to you like this. See, children, I have cut them exactly into two equal halves. This is one half of the lemon and this is another half of the lemon. And I had one whole lemon. This was one whole lemon and I cut it into two equal halves. So two halves make one whole. Okay, now I have to tell you about quarters. So let me cut these lemons into 4 equal halves. Okay, let me do it very carefully. Otherwise you will say, "Ma'am, they are not equal halves." Okay. Right. Now, children, I have cut the lemons. Okay, let me show them to you. And let me try to show in such a manner that you are able to see. Okay, see, these are the lemons in 4 equal parts. And each part is called a quarter. This is 1 quarter, 1 quarter, 1 quarter and 1 quarter. So 4 quarters, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 quarters make one whole. Right, children? I'm sure you have done when the friends are there, when 4 friends are there and you want to split up an apple. So you cut it into 4 equal parts and each equal part is a quarter. Now, children, I have got a few more things for you. I will show you. Okay, this dal is 1 kilogram. And you remember, 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. You remember that? And this packet has half kilogram. Do you remember how much is half kilogram? Half kilogram is 500 grams. Half of 1000 grams is 500 grams. So you can see and compare the quantity of both the dals. This is 1 kilogram. This is 500 grams. This is half kilogram. Okay, children. Now I have something more to show it to you. This bottle, it can contain 1 liter of liquid. Now 1 liter is 1000 milliliter. We studied 1 liter is 1000 milliliter. I have another bottle. This bottle contains 500 milliliter of liquid when it holds the liquid. It can hold 500 milliliter, and 500 milliliter is half of 1 liter. So this is 1 liter, and the capacity of this bottle is half liter, which is 500 milliliter. Now I have one more bottle to show it to you. This bottle. Now 1 liter is 1000 milliliter. Half liter is 500 milliliter. And a quarter liter is half of 500 is 250 milliliter. So 1 liter, half liter, quarter liter. Okay, children? Okay. Now I want to show you something else. This is a sauce bottle. In this bottle, 1 kilogram of sauce fits in. In this bottle, half kilogram of sauce fits in, which is 500 grams. 1 kilogram is 1000 grams, and half kilogram is 500 grams, half of 1000. So children, you can see the capacity of the two bottles. This is bigger, thicker, this is smaller and thinner. Okay children, now I have something else to show it to you. In this packet, there are 16 biscuits. So if I want to divide it into 2 equal parts, so it should have half of 16, means 16 divided by 2. Now 8 2s are 16, so each half packet should have 8 biscuits. Okay, so let me divide 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so children, these are 8 biscuits. And these are 8 biscuits. So I have divided the packet of biscuits into 2 equal halves. One half has 8 biscuits and another half has 8 biscuits. Now let me divide it into 4 equal halves. That means quarters. Okay, so 16 biscuits divided into 4 equal parts means 16 divided by 4. 4 fours is 16. So every part should have 4 biscuits each. Okay. Okay children, now see, these are 4 equal parts, means 4 biscuits in this, 4 biscuits in this, 4 biscuits in this and 4 in this. So 1 quarter of a packet, 1 quarter of a packet, 1 quarter of a packet and 1 quarter of a packet. So beta 4 quarters make 1 whole packet. Right? So children, now I am going to show the different bottle and the packets to you by focusing on them. Okay. So children, this is 1/4 of a lemon, 1/4 of a lemon, 1/4 and 1/4. Suppose your mama uses these 2/4 of lemons to make nimbu pani. So you can say mama has used 2/4 of lemons to make nimbu pani, or you can say mama has used 1/2. Why 1/2 beta? Because 2/4 when you join it becomes 1/2. This is 1/2 and these 2/4 they will join and make 1/2. So 2/4 is equal to half. 2 out of 4. Okay, same way children, this is 1/4 of a packet of biscuit, 1/4, 1/4 and 1/4. So suppose you ate these 2/4 when you had tea. You ate these many biscuits. So you can say that half of the packet is finished. Why? Because you have eaten 2/4 of the packet. So half of the packet is finished and half of the packet is left. That is how we equate 2/4 to 1/2. 1 kilogram dal. You can see the packet, how big it is and how thick it is. 500 grams dal. Now this packet is smaller in size and thinner in size. So in this 1/2 kilogram of dal has come. In this 1 kilogram of dal is there. So 1 kilogram, that means 1000 grams, and 1/2 kilogram means 500 grams. Children, look at this bottle. This can contain 1 liter liquid. Look at this bottle. It can contain 1/2 liter liquid, and 1/2 liter is 500 milliliter. Look at this little bottle. It can contain 1/4 liter. And how much is 1/4 liter? Half of 500 beta. 250 milliliter. So 1 liter, 1/2 liter, 1/4 liter. So you can compare the size and see it for yourself. I'm sure children, you must have understood halves and quarters. Quarters are 1 part out of 4 equal parts, and 4 quarters make 1 whole thing, and halves 2 equal parts. When you do of a thing, when you divide a thing into 2 equal parts, each part is called a half, and 2 halves make 1 whole. That's all for today children. Thank you and have a nice day.